Hey guys, before we get into it, look how cute my holiday earrings are. I'm totally getting into spirit already. But yeah, join me as I create the super quick and easy need to get out the door eye look. So I already prepped and primed my face with Lancome foundation and concealer, and now I'm going to prime my eyes. So I am using the Urban Decay Primer Potion and applying that over the eyes. Okay, I'm using an old eyeshadow palette, the Too Faced Pop Tarts palette. This one has been discontinued, I'm pretty sure. Starting off with In My Fillings. How cute are these names? I really wish Too Faced would go back to their cutesy themed palettes. I miss them a lot. But yeah, this palette is just perfect for creating this super easy golden warm toned eye look. Okay, now I'm going in with Dust the Crust, and I'm concentrating that on the outer edges to deepen up the eye look. Okay, now I'm going in with the angled brush, drawing an extended wing. I think this just makes it easier to then trace over with the liquid liner. And then going in with my finger and applying Brown Sugar Cinnamon. This is just such a beautiful golden shimmer, and I concentrate that on the inner thirds of the eyelid, and it just really makes your eyes pop and creates that beautiful golden warm toned eye look. Okay, now going back in with Dust the Crust and applying that on my lower lash line. This just creates more congruency in the look. Okay, now going to go in with my liquid liner. I have two of them, two Clinique liquid liners, and I am going to draw the extended wing. Okay, I'm back guys. Now I'm using the Nars Orgasm blush and applying that to my cheeks. I don't know if I'm the only one, but I feel like my face eats the blush. I just have to keep applying copious amounts for it to even show up. I don't know if anyone else has the same problem, but here I am just applying and applying. Okay, totally optional, but I like to take my Urban Decay 24/7 liner pencil in this mossy green shade of Stash, and I like to trace over my liner because I feel like my lines are pretty thick, so they can come across as kind of harsh. Okay, now I'm going to apply some Ofra Highlighter. I think that's how you pronounce it, but this highlighter is so pigmented and it gives you such a pretty glow. But yeah, I guess you don't have to apply too much because it's really pigmented. And since the Pop Tart eyeshadow palette actually doesn't really have a highlighter shade, I like to use the Ofra highlighter and just highlight my inner corners and the brow bone to really make my eyes pop. And since this is a super quick and easy eye makeup tutorial, I'm just going to curl my lashes using my Shiseido eyelash curler and skip the mascara process. And voila, this is the finished look. Recently my lips have been pretty dry, so I've just been using Vaseline and skipping lip products. But yeah, this is super quick and easy. You can get out the door in 10 minutes or less. And this eyeshadow palette, I love it. Too Faced, please reconsider bringing it back. It's a perfect everyday functional eyeshadow palette. Okay, thanks for watching.